Hello and welcome. In this clip we're going to look into a very interesting aspect in South Indian rhythm. And this is what I like to call fractal rhythm. Now let's look at the definition of fractal. What is fractal? Fractal is when you have something such as a geometric shape, for instance, appear itself in different dimensions or in different sizes. And one of the most interesting and exciting things about South Indian rhythm is that it manages to show or to express the fractal in many different shapes and forms. I have prepared for you a few examples of fractal rhythm. And the first example we're going to look into is going to be in 3-beat cycle, Rupa Katala. And we're going to clap Rupa Katala 3-beat cycle like this. 1, 2, 3. Clap, wave, wave. And I would like to mention here that usually 3-beat cycle will be clapped traditionally like this. Clap, clap, wave. So a clap on the second beat. I like the first clapping system just because it's got a very strong clap on the first beat, which I think will be more apt and easier to understand for Western musicians. So the exercise goes like this. We'll have 3 beats, each beat divided into 4, or you can say 16th note fill. Notice that the numbers that we will use for this exercise will be always 4 and 3. And the number 4 will be represented by the syllable group takadimi, and the number 3 by the syllable group takita. So here's the exercise. We've got a 3-beat cycle, and each beat is divided into 4. And here, the number 4 makes its smallest appearance. And we will use takadimi to express that like this. 1, 2, 3. Takadimi, 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 ta. Now let's stay in 16th note fill, but instead of takadimi, we will say takita. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Takita, 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 ta. And notice the junction points. Takita, 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 takita. Now let's put an accent on the first syllable of every takita, like this. 1, 2, start. Takita, 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 ta. Now let's isolate the first syllable, ta, in every takita, like this. 1, 2, start. Ta, 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 ta. And this concludes the first stage in our fractal system. Now let's take the rhythm that we created in the last variation. Ta, 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 and put the syllable takadimi instead of just saying ta, 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 ta. And here we'll see that the same structure, the takadimi, will repeat in different size, in different dimension. And it goes like this. 1, 2, start. Ta, ka, ti, mi. Ta, ka, ti, mi. Ta, ka, ti, mi, ta. Now we're going to take the same rhythm, but instead of takadimi, we are going to say takita, exactly like we did in the beginning, but on a larger scale. 1, 2, start. Ta, ki, ta, 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 ta. And now let's isolate the ta in every takita, leaving us with quite a big space between syllables. 1, 2, start. Ta, 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 ta. This variation might be a little challenging because of the bigger spaces. Now what you can do in order to break this down is to ghost the syllables that are not there. Like this. Ta, 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 ta. And now without ta, 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 ta. In the second example, I have not sang the ghost syllable, but I have heard them in my head, which helped me to understand where the next syllable that I'm going to sing will be. And now we've reached the last stage of our fractal rhythmic system. In this stage, we're going to go through exactly the same process, but the rhythm will be much bigger, much wider, and much longer. So we're going to take the rhythm that we created in the last variation and put the syllables ta, ka, di, mi on each syllable of this rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ka, di, mi, ta. Again, if you find this challenging, please use the ghost syllables like this. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta. Next, let's put takita instead of takadimi at the same rhythm, like this. 1, 2, start. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta. And the last stage, and maybe the most challenging, will be the isolation of the ta in every takita at that rhythm. So we'll have a lot more space between the syllables. 1, 2, 3. Ta, 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 ta. We can also use the ghost syllables in this variation. If we say ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, like this. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ki, ta, ta. So I'm going to try to do the whole composition now from beginning where the rhythm is the smallest, medium to large. And it goes like this. 1, 2, start. Takadimi, 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 takita, 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 ta, 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 ka, di, mi, ta ka di mi ta ka di mi ta ki ta 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 ka di mi ta ka di mi ta ki ta ta ki ta ta ki ta ta ki ta 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 ta. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please come back and watch next week's episode where I will talk a little bit more about fractal rhythm. Thank you so much and God bless.